Okay. Then you can type your attendance now. Everybody, please type your attendance in chat box. Okay. Then we were discussing about exercise 2.3, is it? And I am explaining one question for you. I will complete it now. For that, I'm just sharing my screen. What was our question? The fourth one, is it? We're discussing about the fourth one, that is 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 and 3 by 7, 3 by 5 of 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. We have to check which one is greater. Is it? We have to check which one is greater. For that, first we have to find the value of 2 by 7 of 3 by 5. What is the value of 2 by 7 of 3 by 5? 2 by 7 of 3 by 5 means 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. Is it? Is it? Yes. Then what is the product of 2 by 7 and 3 by 4? Numerators are 2 and 3 and the denominators are 7 and 4. Then what is the answer? Then what is the answer? Latecomers, please mark your attendance. Okay.
8 by 21.
We get our answer as 6 by 28. Is it? And what about yes? Anything? Any problem?
So 4 into 8 അല്ലേ?
4 into 8, 4 into 7. Numerators are 7 and 4. Okay. Are you all sleeping? Okay. Then what is 3 by 5 of 5 by 8? Which is 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. Is it? Okay. Then which is equal to? What should be the answer? Here, numerators are 3 and 5. Then our product's numerator should be 15. And the denominators are what? What is the denominators? 5 and 8. So their product should be 40. So we get the answers as 6 by 28 and 15 by 40. Now we have to compare these answers. That is 6 by 28, 6 by 28 and 15 by 40. What is the value of 6 by 28? What is the value of 6 by 28? 6 by 28 is about here it is an proper fraction, is it? Not improper fraction. So 6 by 28 is approximately equal to 0.2. Okay. You will get it by calculating the actual value. It is approximately equal to 0.2. And what is 15 by 40? It may be of 2 point something, is it? We know that 2 into 15 is 30. That's why it may be of, what is 15 by 40? What is 15 by 40? What's it? It may be of 0.3, approximately equal to 0.3. Then we get the values of 6 by 28 and 15 by 40. Which is the largest value? Is 0.2 or 0.3 is the largest value? Which one is the largest value? Jiva. Is 0.2 or 0.3? Which one is the largest value?
0.2.
Why you get 0.2? In case of decimals, which is the largest value?
0.3.
Do you have scale in your hand? Scale? All of you, please take a scale if it is possible now. Okay. Then after
0.3.
0, what is the first line indicates after 0? There are 10
0.1.
divisions between 1 and 0, is it? That's why what is the first line after 0 indicates? Is it is 1 or is it is 1 millimeter? Is it? In your centimeter scale, it is 1 millimeter. Is it? 1 millimeter is equal to, we know that 1 millimeter is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Okay. Then what is the second line indicates? That should be 0.2. Is it? And after that, you can continue like that 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on. Then which one is the largest, 0.3 or 0.2? Which one is the largest? Then which one is the largest? All stand up. I think you are all sleeping. Okay, then sit down. Okay. Then which number is largest, 0.2 or 0.3? Yes, please. Adira.
0.3.
0.3.
0.3. That's it. So we get the value of 15 by 40 is greater than the value of 6 by 28. Okay. So what is 15 by 40? 15 by 40 is 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. So our question was to compare 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 and 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So among these two, we get 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is the largest one. Okay. Okay. Similarly, the remaining one question you have to solve. And what is the fifth question? Joel, please turn on your camera and read out the fifth question. എന്തോ കേക്കുന്നില്ല മോനെ ആണോ okay then Halima please read out the fifth question. Latecomers, don't forget to mark your attendance. Only few of you marked your attendance. Okay. Then, Halima, please read it out the fifth question. Please unmute and read. Please unmute and read.
Page number
Page number 42. Fifth question. ഇപ്പോഴാണോ ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ഒക്കെ തുറന്നു വെക്കുന്നത്?
Same plans for
Question number 5. Okay, then move on to Adira. Can you read it that?
Fifth question, Miss.
Yes.
Riley plants for sapling in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3/4 meters. Find the distance between the first and the last.
Yes. Yes, please.
Miss ഭയങ്കരമായി എന്തോ ഒരു ഒച്ച കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട്.
Is it okay now? Is it okay now?
Miss
എന്തോ?
ക്യാമറ ഓൺ ആക്കുമ്പോൾ ക്ലിയർ കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ട്.
Okay.
കട്ട് ആയിക്കൊണ്ട്.
Okay, okay. Okay, this was the question read out by Adira. Shalini plants 4 sapling. Is it? What is a sapling? What's a sapling? What is a sapling? Do you know? Don't worry, it's a type of plants. Okay, some plants, small plants. So Shalini plants 4 sapling in her garden. Okay, and you can see here she's planted 4 sapling. The distance between 2 adjacent sapling is 3/4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. എന്തോ?
ഇപ്പൊ സ്ക്രീൻ കാണുന്നില്ല. ഒന്ന് മിസ് പിന്നെ സ്ക്രീൻ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ആക്കിയിട്ട് ഒന്ന് അങ്ങോട്ട് ഓൺ ആക്കാവോ?
Okay, okay, okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, what about others? Okay, then you can see here Shalini planted 4 sapling in a row in her garden, and the distance between 2 adjacent sapling is 3/4 meter. And we have to find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Okay. Then how will you find the distance between the first sapling and the last sapling? How will you find? The distance between the first and second or the adjacent 2 sapling is 3/4 meter. And we know that they are all equidistant. Then how will you find the distance between the first sapling and the last sapling? How will you find? Please listen here. Here we know that from first to second we have moved to 1 step. Is it? Is it? Then from first to second to third, there is another 3/4 meter distance is there. Is it? And from the third to fourth, there is another 3/4 meter distance is also is there. So how many 3 by 4 meter distance are there from first one to last one?
3.
3. That's why we can find the distance between first
3
and
by-
last saplings as 3 times 3 by 4. That is, we know that repeated addition is multiplication. 3 times addition of 3 by 4 implies 3 into 3 by 4. We know that how to multiply a fraction with a whole number. What is the answer of 3 into 3 by 4? Jiva. What is 3 into 3 by 4?
6 by 8.
How will you get 6 by 8? 3 into 3 by 4. It's multiplication, not addition. Multiplication of whole number with a fraction. You have to multiply the numerator
9
with the
by
whole number and the denominator keep it as same.
9 by 4.
It is 9 by 4. I have already wrote here the answer and you don't able to read it out. Okay. That is 9 by 4 meter. Then how will I change this 9 by 4 meter into 2 1 by 4 meter? How will I change? You know the conversion of a improper fraction to an mixed fraction. How will you convert this 9 by 4 into 2 1 by 4? First, we have to check how many times 4 can be in 9. Is it? How many times 4 can be in 9? How many times?
2.
2 times, because 2 into 4 is 8. That's why we have chosen our whole number path as 2. Okay. Okay. Then we know that 2 into 4 is 8 and the number we have is 9. So there should be a remainder of 1. That should be the numerator for our fraction. And the denominator is keeping as same. That's why we can change 9 by 4 as 2 1 by 4 meter. Okay. Is it clear now? Okay. Then what is the distance between the first and last sapling?
2 1 by 4.
2 1 by 4 meter. Okay. Then here is another question for you. That is question number 6 in your textbook. Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? What is the question? Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours every day. Is it? And she completes the entire book in 6 days. Then how many hours she requires to completing the reading? To complete the reading. Okay. How will we find it? We know that she reads 3 by 4 hours every day. Is it? 3 by 4 is seem to be a mixed fraction. How will you change this 3 by 4 into an improper fraction? How will you change? Anybody? How will you change?
ഒന്നുകൂടെ പറയാം മിസ്സേ.
How will you change 3 by 4 into a mixed fraction? Sorry, 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction here. How will you change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction?
1 into 4
1
Plus
into
3.
4
plus 3.
plus 3. What is it? 7, is it? Then
Yes.
our numerator becomes 7. And what about our denominator? Denominator is keeping as same. So 1 3 by 4 is equal to 7 by 4. We can write it as 1 3 by 4 as 7 by 4. Okay. Then there is one more hint is given, that is in 6 days she completing the book. Is it? She completes reading the book in 6 days. Then we have to calculate how many hours is required to complete the book. For that, total reading hours can be calculated. What is the total reading hours? It should be 6 into 7 by 4, because 6 days, in 6 days she completing the book. And in 1 day, 7 by 4 hours she is reading. Is it clear? Is it clear? Aromal, do you have any doubt? No, Aradhya. Then Adira. Halima,
No,
please
miss.
turn on your video. And Heaven also. Joel, do you have any doubt? Okay, then what is the total reading hours? Total reading hours should be 6 into 7 by 4. How will you multiply a whole number with a fraction? As we have done earlier, what should be the sum product of one whole number and a rational number? What's it? What is it? Whole number should be multiplied with numerator and should keep our denominator as same. Okay. Then 6 into 7 is 42 and the denominator should be 4. Then 42 by 4. Can you convert this 42 by 4 into an mixed fraction? This is in the form of an improper fraction. Then can you change this into an mixed fraction? How will you change it? How will you change it? Joel, please unmute and say. Please say it loudly. Not a problem. If right or wrong, that's not a matter. You just attempt.
6 into
How many 4s are there in 42? How many 4s are there in 42? We know that 10 into 4 is 40. Is it? Then 10 4s are there in 42 and there should be a remainder 2. That's why we can write it as 10 2 by 4. Then here is a 2 by 4. Can we reduce the 2 by 4 into a simpler form? Can we reduce? How will you reduce 2 by 4 into a simpler form?
Page number.
Page number 42. Latecomers, please mark your attendance. Okay. Then how will you reduce 2 by 4 into a simpler form? We know that both 2 and 4 are multiples of 2. Is it? Is it? Yes. Then how will you reduce 2 by 4 into simpler form? Two by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Is it? Is it? Yes. Then we can write it as 10 2 by 4 as 10 1 by 2 hours. So what is the total reading hours? 10.5 hours required for Lipika for completing that book within 6 days. Is it? Okay, do you have any doubt in this question? Please let's look at the screen, and if you have any doubt, please ask.
മിസ്സേ അതൊന്നുകൂടിയും പറഞ്ഞുതരാം അമ്മ ഇപ്പൊ വന്നോണ്ട് ഇപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ക്ലാസ് കയറി
Okay, then what about others?
Mr. 42 നെല്ലാം കിട്ടിയിട്ടേ
Hmm.
അതിനുശേഷം 10 2 by 4 അത് മനസ്സിലായിട്ടില്ല.
Okay, I will explain it from first. Okay. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes.
യെസ്
Okay. Then our question was, what was our question?
Lipka reads a book.
That's our next question. We are just, yes, this question, Lipika's question. Lipika reads a book for 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? That was our question. Okay. Then how many hours she reads in a day? How many hours Lipika reads a book for a day? It is
1 3 by 4.
1 3 by 4 hours. That is, first we have to convert this 1 3 by 4 into an improper fraction. Okay. So the improper fraction corresponding to 1 3 by 4 is, what is it? It is 7 by 4. How will you get this 7 by 4? We have to multiply the denominator with the whole number part and then add it to the numerator. That is 7 by 4. So, Lipika reads a book for 7 by 4 hours every day. And one more thing is given in your question, that she reads the entire book in 6 days. She completes reading of the entire book in 6 days. And what we have to calculate, how many hours in all were required by her to read the book. Total reading hours should be calculated. Okay. That's why we are going to calculate our total reading hours. We know that in one day she reads 7 by 4 hours and she requires 6 days to complete the reading. So what should be the total reading hours? That should be 6 into 7 by 4. We know that how to multiply a whole number with a fraction. For multiplying a whole number with a fraction, first we have to multiply the whole number with the numerator. Is it? So the product of 6 and 7 is what? It is 42. And then our product become 42 by 4. Is it? Then in next step, we have to convert this 42 by 4 into a mixed fraction. This is in the form of an improper fraction. Is it? Okay. For converting this, first you have to divide 42 by 4. By dividing, we know that 42 is not completely divisible by 4 because there should be a remainder 2. We know that 10 into 4 is 40. 10 into 4 is 40 and 11 into 4 is 44. But here we have only 42. Is it? So we have selecting our whole number part as 10. And what is the remainder there? After choosing the 40, there is a 2 remaining in 42. Is it? Is it? Afras,
Yes, Miss.
did you get the idea?
Yes.
Okay. Then after choosing the 40, there is a 2 remaining and that remainder is our numerator. That's why we are writing this 42 by 4 as 10 2 by 4 as in the form of mixed fraction. Also, 2 by 4 is 2 by 4 can be reduced into some simpler form because both 2 and 4 are multiples of 2. Okay. That's why I'm just replacing 10 2 by 4 as 10 1 by 2. That's why the total reading hours is 10 1 by 2 hours. Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, then shall we move to our next question? What's our next question? A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol? A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. And we have to calculate how much distance will it cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Here is also what is the improper fraction form of 2 3 by 4. How will you convert 2 3 by 4 into an improper fraction? How will you convert? Anybody? All stand up. All stand up. Okay, then sit down. Okay, then how will you convert 2 3 by 4 into an improper fraction? How will you convert? Please multiply the whole number
4
part
plus
with
3.
denominator. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So 2 3 by 4 is, what is 2 3 by 4? 11 by 4. Is it? We know that the distance covered using 1 liters of petrol is 16 kilometers. Is it? So for finding the distance will cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol should be the product of 16 and 2 3 by 4. Is it clear this step? What about others?
Yes, miss.
Please show me a thumb if you're okay.
Clear,
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Then the distance will cover using 2 3 by 4 liters of petrol is the product of 16 and 2 by 3. And we have converted this 2 3 by 4 into 11 by 4. So the product becomes 16 into 11 by 4. Is it? Then what is the product of 16 and 11 by 4? What is the product of 16 and 11 by 4? 16 into 11 is, what is the product of 16 and 11? It is 176 and the denominator is 4 itself. So we get the distance will cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol as 176 by 4. This is also in the form of an improper fraction, is it? Then how will you convert this into an mixed fraction? How will you convert? You just find how many 4s are there in 176. For that, you have to divide 176 by 4. Okay. Do it fast. Divide 176 by 4. What should be the answer? It should be 44 kilometers. 176 divided by 4 is 44. That's why the distance will cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol is 44 kilometers. Okay. 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 Then please check any doubt in this question. Any step, if you have not understand, please check it now. The question was, a car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol? That is given here. The distance covered using 1 liter of petrol is 16 kilometers. And we have to find the distance will cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol. For that, we have to multiply 16 with 2 3/4. For that, first we have converted this 2 3/4 into improper fraction. The improper fraction corresponding to 2 3/4 is 11/4. And then the product of 16 and 11/4 is what? It is 176 divided by 4. By dividing 176 with 4, we will get the answer as 44. So the distance will cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol should be 44 kilometers. Okay. Do you have any doubts? No. Okay, I think we have only 1 more minute remaining. Okay, did you all submit your attendance? It's only 7 students are here. 10 are absent. What happened? What happened?